Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on OUKITEL WP35. To take a screenshot, to crop a screenshot, first take it, and to take it press on two buttons at once, power and volume down. Let's press on them at once, and now the screenshot has been created. You can click here on the pencil icon to edit the screenshot, and now you can crop it however you'd like. Let's crop the bottom part and the status bar on top, then tap on save, and now it's been saved to photos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.